never leave you nor forsake you. Hi there, sunshines. If you would like to know how I achieved this look, keep watching. First, I started off with freshly washed and blow-dried hair, and I made sure I went ahead and oiled my scalp and oiled my hair and all that lovely stuff. So I braided the hair all the way back to about like 18 braids. Well, not all the way, but like almost all the way back. And I braided about 18 braids, caught it up in one, and then I braided it across, and then I caught the end of it, and I used a crocheting hook, and I just looped it through to the top, so then it looks like two braids. With the bottom, what I did is I braided one across, and then I caught the end of it, and then braided the second braid into it, and I used the crochet hook and pulled the end of the hair through. I actually used the Kima ocean wave at the back of my hair. One of the methods that I like to use to achieve the layered effect just before I get to the very front is to take one strand of the hair and kind of like use half of it. So I take the longest part and I'd put it like at the bottom, and then I use the shortest part to put it at the front. So then I just loop it. So I'm doing like the invisible knot method, sorry, and then I just loop it a couple times, and then the long part goes at the bottom and then the short part stays at the top. Well, that one didn't really work, so I'm going to try it again. Okay, so I take the strand of the hair, take the latch hook, pull it through, and I pull the long piece, so I'm doing the invisible knot, and I knot it a couple times, and the long piece I want it to be at the bottom, and the short piece I would like for it to be at the top. So there's a short piece I'm holding up top and a long piece at the bottom. Now I bring it down, and now it worked. So I'm going to do it again. So I'm going to take a strand of the hair, use the latch hook, pull it through, do my loop-de-loop, short part at the top, long part at the bottom, loop it through. So there we have it. Long part at the bottom, short part at the top, and then it kind of gives it that little layered effect. Look. Okay, so I used the Niagara, the Freetress Niagara, and I used the Harlem 125, which was the Kima ocean wave, and it was 20 inches. Go click this tag up here somewhere, and then you can see. So in this video here, please do tell me if you can see the difference, because I use them both. So the next day, I really and truly was not liking the way that my hair turned out, because I wanted to do a middle part and it wasn't happening. The front part of my hair The reason being, the front part of my hair is way more, it's like a different texture than the rest of my hair. So the base of the cornrows were kind of coming out at the front, and I was like, oh cruddlecles, like I came so far, and I did so much work only to have this hair looking like this. You see that, like all the way at the front there, like that's all my hair at the perimeters coming out, and I was just like, you know what, I gotta take it out, and I did exactly that. So I took out the front and I have like a bit of my hair peeking through. So the good thing about this is that I didn't have to take out the cornrow. So what I did was, part of my hair that was able to withstand the crochet hook, I was able to go in with the Niagara Freetress, and I had to cut parts of that to get that layered effect, to kind of blend it in with my own hair seamlessly. So I just took really small pieces, and then I did the knotless method at the front to achieve that nice blend.
When I was installing this hair, I totally felt like giving up and taking it out. I just thought it was hideous, because I'm just like, how come the first time I installed it, it looked so great, and now I'm trying to do something a little bit different, give it highlights and some peekaboo colors, and you know, just let that pop. But then it was just like, nope, it ain't happening. I was trying to go for the middle part, but then I wanted to do this thing and I wanted to do that, but with some tweak and stuff, I was able to actually get it looking good. You didn't subscribe yet? How come? Okay, just don't be mean, okay? Just don't be mean. Please help me out. I'm trying to get to 7,000 subscribers before my birthday, February the 9th, okay? So click this right here. You see that nice, beautiful flowing head right about there? Yeah, or you know what? Click the subscribe button about here or there. I'm not sure where it is, but just subscribe. I'd really appreciate it, okay? I really would. Please. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Bye for now, and come back again, okay?